Hi, I'm Quarters at Remote It, and this is our second iteration of question and answers with Remote It. We've been getting a lot of good questions from our users internally and externally, so why don't we just go ahead and jump on into it? Question: What's the difference between bulk scripting and API in the Remote It platform? Answer: Bulk scripting is functionality that is unique to the Remote It platform. It allows you to write custom shell, Python, other interpreted languages as scripts, upload them in the Remote It web portal, and we will push it to all the devices that you choose. This could be great for updating large numbers of devices all at once independently. You can then monitor and view the status of each of these devices independently in the web portal. This is helpful if you want to update a number of devices at once. The GraphQL APIs on the Remote It platform are used to query or mutate your devices or account, but can also be used to return connections to your devices. So what you can do is you could build in this connectivity onto your edge devices and then actually build your own platform to provide connectivity to yourself, your support team, or your users. Question: What do these local and remote ports mean when I set up and connect to a service? The first thing you do when you define a service is you're actually setting up and telling Remote It what the remote port is that your application is listening on. So this is going to be SSH on port 22 by default, or 80 for HTTP, or 443 for HTTPS. Could be 3389 for RDP. Any number of ports that your applications are listening on. When you want to add that service to your network and actually connect to it, Remote It is going to generate a local URL and local port on your device that is connected to that remote one. So these on the desktop app will start at 30,000 and go up from there. And again, this port will not change locally, so you can copy and bookmark this for ease return of use. When you hit that generated local URL and port, we are then tunneling all that traffic from port 30,000 to port 22. Question: Can I access iOS or Android devices with Remote It? Answer: Yes, you can. For Android, you can set up a VNC service and install the Remote It app on your Android device, and then I can connect to VNC from anywhere, just like I would with Raspberry Pi or something like that. But iOS does not currently allow you to actually target the device, but you can use the application to monitor all your other devices, make SSH or other types of connections, or just check online, offline status of all your devices in your network. Thanks for joining us on this new Q&A. If you have any more questions or have any topics you want us to cover, please let us know and put it in the below. Thank you.